The biggest benefit of thermoforming over injection molding is time to market. We can really get your product out the door quicker.
Maybe I should explain, all of this is vacuum forming. All of the material is heated and then vacuum evacuates the trapped air. In some operations like this, we use a female mold and we pressure form it.
So pressure forming allows you to get the look of an injection molded part without having to have super high volumes, and allows us to add texture to our tool.
This is a pressure form part. We started with the same single sheet of material that we're talking about in our other processes, but we pull this into a female mold. And then we get all of this texture you see is in the tool.
And that means that we can make a part that has a lot more detail as opposed to traditional vacuum forming.
This part was metal. This part was converted from metal to plastic. This is the front of an ice machine. We do a lot of conversions because of the cost of metal, the cost of stainless steel, also the cost of finishing metal these days. This part was extruded gray, formed gray, and it's ready to go. This is a twin sheet part. We're producing parts like this on this machine right behind me. What we have done is we have formed two pieces of plastic at the same time. In the forming process, we have welded the plastics together, the two sheets together. This is a homogeneous bond.
The weld happens under 100 psi in a machine, in a pressure forming machine, and it's inseparable. The molecular structure here is as if it was one solid sheet of material.
When you think of thermoformed plastics, the last thing you think about is a rug for a car.
It's got a liner of LDPE, 20 thousandths thick. It's very lightweight.
This is a large part made out of high-density polyethylene. It's used in the drainage industry. Yes, we can get up to 12 feet. We do a variety of different things, from the high-density polyethylene parts that you just saw to parts like this drain pan made for air conditioning units made out of polycarbonate. Very rigid material, very durable material.
Another thing we do here that we're really good at is returnable packaging.
Everyone in the automotive world, no one wants packaging. No one wants cardboard, no one wants wood. We developed this tray in order to transport these transmission housings.
We do vacuum forming, pressure forming, and twin sheet forming, as well as plastic fabrication and some secondary operations.
Wall thicknesses go anywhere here from about 80 thousandths thick to 780 thousandths thick, almost 1 inch thick.